Hello guys, welcome to this Simple Science episode. Now, why am I doing another Simple Science episode? It's only been 2 days. Well, that's a good question. Well, I'm here to answer something that a teacher asked me to talk to you about. I'm here to talk about the myth, or a myth, that supposedly listening to jazz music in particular makes you better at math. Now, I'm going to be testing all sorts of genres, and I'm going to see which one could possibly make me better at math, even if it's even possible. So basically, the way that this is going to work is I'm going to be timing myself for how long I can solve a certain math problem with certain different kinds of music, different genres, different everything. And so, oh, do you like my Santa hat? By the way, it's great. I'm Santa Spencer. But anyway, point is, so that's what I'm going to be finding out for this, for an OT teacher actually, and here we go. So I'll let you know what happens, and alright. So guys, I've been doing this for about more than 20 minutes, and here's what I got. So the information's actually quite interesting. So first of all, let's look at jazz, because now, mind you, this is basically the same math problem I've done through all these songs. If that makes sense. So like multiplying and stuff. These are all the same multiplication problems with all these different kinds of the same exact problem pretty much throughout the whole genres. So anyway, let's go to classic rock actually. Classic rock took me 47 seconds. Now, that's interesting. So, yeah, classic rock took me about 47 seconds. And then you go to jazz, which jazz, it was the main important one. Because it's especially jazz. Now, the thing is, for jazz, it took me the course of 37 seconds to finish the same exact problem as classic rock was listening. And then you get to rock, and when you reach rock, that was actually only 29 seconds. So initially that seemed like the winner, but then you go down to holiday. Then when you reach holiday, 43 seconds it took me for basically the same exact problem. Rap took me 29 seconds. Country took me 29 seconds. Pop took me 40 seconds. So after that, everything went up. And then you got to guitar. Acoustic guitar, which took me the course of 26 seconds. And then there's all sorts of different kinds of instrumental. So as for instrumental, I started with instrumental jazz, which took me the course of 22 seconds. And instrumental rock took me 26 seconds. So this is very interesting information so far in my research. I mean, I'll probably do like a part 2 in the next few days of this, but this is interesting information. They say jazz is the one that's supposed to be that's supposed to help you somehow with your math. Clearly that is busted so far, because the winner for me at least, and actually is it different for different people? Yes, probably. I mean, but as for me so far, the instrumental jazz was actually the winner, not the regular jazz, not just like jazz as in like the regular jazz, but actually just Pure jazz. Pure jazz, just the instrumental, gave me 22 seconds. So, I mean, I guess it's sort of confirmed, considering the end of it, of what jazz you kind of mean. If you mean jazz where people are singing, or jazz where there's just pure music. And then as for rock instrumental, it wasn't that different from the like hardcore rock. Hardcore rock was 29 seconds. The rock instrumental was 26 seconds. So very little difference. And so this is very interesting, valuable information that I would be excited to continue into the next episode in the next, let's say, 2 days. Or tomorrow, actually tomorrow maybe. Because this is very interesting. And yeah guys, so thank you to my UT teacher who suggested this myth, and see you guys in the next episode.